Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, internet time. Um, so I'm just jumping on real quick. I've been following AVAX for most of the day, I guess. Um, and I've been pushing my stop losses up, or my stop limit up. So right now my stop limit is at 116.74. Um, so yeah. And that's like a 70% stop loss there. The reason is, I saw the 1 to 9 here and I said, oh, great, I should start thinking about a stop loss. And I actually set it right down here, but then it just kept going up. Um, but I think I want to. So basically, if we get a red 2 candle trading below this red 1 and it drops a little bit more, then I'm stopped out. That's the basic plan. That's it. I take my 70%, I divide it up among two other coins. Well, I take everything that I get out of this, I divide it up among the next two other coins and try and get 70% or 60% or 30 off of that, right? So let's look at Bitcoin. The hour is not going to do us any good. Let's go back to the week just for a second, get our bearings. So we got a 1 candle on the week. We have 1 day and 17 hours left. It is fairly safe to say that this weekly candle is going to be a red. What we want to know is, are we going to have another weekly candle that's down? So we can go to the day, and our RSI is not in bad shape, right? It's not in bad shape. Um, we'll have to see. But we are still trading red candles. So this is good. We've got 16 something hours. We need to trade above this 50. So even if we go above this today on the daily, I would still like to see a full candle trading above it, especially if it's, well, so our next candle may be a green one trading above this, and that might be good. That might be really good. So still optimistic, still think it's a bull. Don't think it's going to come down here, but I'm waiting for the dip. This is not quite the dip yet for me. Go to the 4 hour on Bitcoin and see, we got this line at the TD sequential is giving us this line right here of resistance that we got to break. And we're right on this line that I put here, and this line might be nonsense. But that's kind of our previous low. There's not much point in moving this line down here. Instead of moving this line down here, I would suspect that I would be more inclined just to drop it all the way up here. But for right now, we'll leave this here on this previous resistance line, basically. And we'll see. And that's about it. So uh, hopefully AVAX will uh, still take off on the 4 hour. It's it's still got one or two more that it could go up, but RSI is getting weak. So yeah, so I'll be out of AVAX. I may be looking for one or two other ones that I'm in not so much profit, like maybe Sol, right? Because look at him. on the 4 hour. And we crossed here. I should have gotten out here, or I could have gotten out here, but we'll have to see. All right, that's it. Have a good day tomorrow. Hopefully, Bitcoin will rebound and start trading above our green 50 EMA. Maybe it'll be above it when I wake up tomorrow. All right. Have a good one. Have a good day at work. I will be back.